So these are my two soaps. Okay, my palm oil soap. I produce this one using a different method, the same method but different, slightly different ingredients with this. Okay, they are all my soaps. Okay, and that's what we use in the house, and they foam bastardly. Okay, these are the pieces. You see, so that you will not think that maybe it's commercial soap I used. You can see the size with my soap. You can see the size. Okay, all these are debris, please. It wasn't me that washed, so when they finish washing, they just drop them on the floor like that. So you see, oh, and you can see how they are bending. You can see how I can bend this almost half and it's not breaking. It can be brought back again. Very malleable. See how thin it is. See, and this is palm oil soap. Very strong. See, you can see how transparent it is. You can see. You know, at times I'll tell you that me, I can see the transparency, but maybe you people will not be able to. But at least this time around, you can see it. You can see this is transparent. Even this one that's a bit big. Look at the edges. You can see the transparency around the edges. Okay. And this method is very good. This one I use a slightly different method. So you might not be able to see the transparency, but it has small. If you check, if you can see. Okay. So if you want to learn how to make soap, call us at Zesta Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle.